In this quick guitar lesson, I'm going to show you how to play this quick, easy beginner rock lick in E minor. All right, this is what I would consider a beginner E minor guitar lick, and if I play it slow, it's going to sound like this. And what we're looking at here is it's only a one measure lick, so it's only 4 beats, and it's basically you're playing six the kind of sextuplets or 2 sets of 3. It's like you're going triplet for each beat. Like you're playing 2 sets of triplets like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One thing you'll notice about this guitar lick is there's a lot of pull-offs. So at the very first 2 notes, it goes from 15 to 12. And there's a P there, and they're kind of connected. That P means pull-off. So what that means is I'm going to pluck it on the first string. I'm going to pluck 15. And then I'm going to pull away, basically plucking the string with my 3rd finger here. Now you could use your pinky as well, but I'm just choosing to use my 3rd finger. So whenever you see that P, you're plucking the note on the left and not the one on the right. I'm actually picking this entire riff down. Like every note I'm picking down like this. So as you can see, every single note I pick down, I think that's what makes this one kind of fun. That's why I consider this a beginner. But really, if you play this really fast, it's not going to sound like you're a beginner at all. And something else that's great about this lick is you can move it around. Like we're playing it here in E minor. But you can get down here and basically anywhere where your first finger would be in the lick would be the whatever key you're in. So if I would start right here on this D, then the lick would be in D. Or if I move down, I could do it in C. My first finger's on C here. That's what I really like about this kind of guitar lick, because you can very easily play it in any of the 12 keys just by moving it around. So I'm going to go ahead and play through it slowly, and why don't you go ahead and play along with me. I'm going to play it at this tempo. All right, here we go. And that was my E minor rock lick. If you enjoyed learning this guitar lick, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to learn more, go ahead and check out this playlist right here.